I love the smell of paint in the morning. So I got the base coat. Well, 2 coats of base coat, about a coat and a half of base coat. Maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. It was a little rocky start on the base coat, man. I put it on and it fish-eyed. It shot fish eyes everywhere. So I had to wipe it off. Luckily, I think I started in like the worst spot for the fish eyes. So I had to wipe it off and with acetone and do it. The paint it's finicky, and I'm guessing it was my prep, my Simsol prep. This stuff here, not good for the base coat. This North Star base coat, man, this stuff is awesome. It really the coverage on it is awesome. This is what I got right here. It's a BC3 North Star. Coverage is phenomenal. We're gonna see what their clear is. I got the Show Car clear, GM350. I asked them if they had the Cummins 12 valve, but Show Car clear, because this thing doesn't have a GM350 in it. So I don't know what the deal is. I don't know why they, it's got a Cummins in it. Ain't no GM350. Anyways, that's where we're at. Gonna hang out, let that tack up real good, and then like I said, I got one more coat of the green, and then I'll start smashing the clear on there. Maybe I'll bring y'all along for a little bit of the clear. All right, stay tuned. Okay, we shot our first coat of clear. This is just coat 1, real light. You can see it looks thin. Real light, easy coat. Just to make her sticky. Gotta like her when she's sticky. So I got one nice easy coat. It's gonna work out perfect because this was about a half a cup of my, I got like a smaller cup on my gun. And now this gun here, I'm gonna show you my gun. This gun I got here is this is a Techna something or another. Techna Plus or Techna Pro, but that gun there, today I shot both the base and the color out of it. Usually I've got a Techna Copper that I use only for color. But man, I don't know, I might use this gun for color because that color laid down really, really nice. I mean, it laid down good. Because that's got a pretty good metallic in it. I don't know if you can see it, you can see some flaws. Don't look too closely because there are some flaws in there. Like I said, I kind of rushed this one through to get her done. But I'm really happy with the clear, happy with the base. The base coat was kind of a bear. That base coat and that sim prep do not go good together. But man, once I got that base coat going, it went down like butter. The base coat did. No tiger striping, none at all. Just went down beautifully. And this is the color of the truck. I painted this probably about 10 years ago. The bed, that's a different bed. I shot it with a single stage, and I went down and looked at the 72, because so on the title I think it says 72. I went down and looked at the 72 colors, and it wasn't a 72 color. That was the green they had. So I think I like the lime green, which is on top. I think I like that better. That lighter green, that's pretty sexy green. Anyways, let me get out of here before I pass out from inhaling this crap. Okay, there's your finished result. Cute color. I really like the way the clear shot, color shot nice. Man, that clear, it's funny, I smashed it in right here. I kind of leaned into the panel funny, and I thought I ran it, but I don't even see a frickin' run. Towards the end, I cut a couple spots. I really pushed on it hard, and it didn't run at all. This is actually a really good paint. North Star. Yeah. there you have it. Windshield's going in next, man. We're excited. Okay, so we're back on the international project. We don't have a lot of time on it today. So what I did was I stabbed the windshield in there with this butyl rubber. You know, I'm kind of making this stuff up as I go along. Not really the way it's supposed to be. It's just going to be the way it is. So this is my attempt at making a liquid seal or goop seal or whatever. That's some aircraft sealant there. And so that's what it's going to be. I just kind of, this is a little test area. So when I get more time, hopefully this week, I will go ahead and do the whole surround. And then once I get the whole surround all done, then it's gonna be time to slap those fenders on. Those guys right there. Slap the fenders on, hook the batteries up, and go trucking. And then be a happy man. I gotta clean that windshield. It's kind of dirty. I put it in dirty. I didn't want to clean it outside because it's kind of a pain in the ass to clean outside. Anyways, that's what the seal's gonna look like. I think it's gonna be good enough. It ain't going nowhere. Anyways, we'll get back on it when we have time. Well, that just goes to show you, doesn't take much. Got the windshield sealed in. So I was gonna put fenders on today, but I'm just not feeling it. We're calling it right here. Seal's a little bit thicker here than it is up there, but hey, it's perfect for my old truck. Look at that. Can go do a little, there's some jagged edges. I'll hit those with a razor blade after it sets. I can go trim those out, make it look all purty. Anyways, that's the windshield. We'll put the fenders on, fire this thing up. I'm gonna have to service the tranny. Oh well, it is what it is.
Hey, Chris. Wow, this thing looks awesome. What's going on? What the hell?
The tranny.
Oh my God.
The tranny was low on fluid.
Oh my God.
This is the right stuff, isn't it?
I think so.
It's the red tranny fluid.
That is tranny fluid.
Yep. You're gonna need a heap of glue. So this right here is our heap of glue. We got the trucks back on the road, back in one piece. It's ready to go out and cause some trouble.